project called Unidocs that I'm currently busy with, which is just a platform where people can share PDFs. I'm just trying to create this PDF sharing platform the mic way. So it's a full stack. I'm using React.js and also Node.js and Spring Boot to create the backend. Yeah, Spring Boot and Node for the backend. But for now, let's just go through the Node.js version of the backend. So I have 3 functionalities done: the signing up, signing in, and also the paper upload functionality on the in the backend. And yeah, I think they're done. Done. Okay, so let's just sign up first. I'm using a Postman for testing the API or for communicating with my Node.js API. So then I have hashing. The password has been hashed. Salty. So yeah, this are just the important information I just want to. You can see it in the. Okay, refresh the database. Users. Yeah, this the password. This the one that I've just created, which is user ID number 4. Then the signing in functionality. It's also that on, so it really let me sign in. So let's just try making the password wrong. Nah, doesn't let me in. Or let's just try sign up using the same account. Signing up. Nah, the user already exists. So okay, let's go through the paper upload functionality. Okay, the code for it, it's here. Yeah, this is the code for the paper upload. And I store the documents I upload locally for now. So okay, it's done. I actually use these responses for debugging sometimes. Okay, where is my paper? So this way I got this paper. Done. Yes, and again, what else? Oh, I think I also what's stored in my database. Let's go back. Tables. I also store the papers in my database, like the information, so I can locate them. So yeah. There's still a lot to do in this project. There's still a lot. There's the signing in. I use JWT tokens, but yeah, I'm still gonna take other alternatives like refresh tokens. Yeah, it's just it's still coming. Then the front end part of it, I've just started yesterday. The front end part. Yeah, I'm still coming. We'll be there soon. I'm using Tailwind CSS for the front end part of it. So yeah, but I'm thinking of using the parking. I'm thinking of using this one working. Sparking. Bootstrap for styling the React app, the front end part of my app. So yeah, there's still a lot of work. I'll leave the code link. I have the project on GitHub, I think. So I'll just leave a link that will get you guys there. Ta-da! So this is the sign up. Nothing works for now. Like it's just I'm still designing. Yeah, that's all, guys. That's all. Ta-da.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. See you in our next video.